Hello, Jumbo Moi. It's me, Ilona_KE. Welcome and welcome so much to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing cooking. One of the most asked question when I was on holiday in Kenya is, what do you people eat? Do you have ugali? Do you have skuma? Do you have chicken? Do you have meat? Do you have fish? I'm here to declare that here in Finland we have almost everything. So today we are going to do the grilling of chicken. I bought this kind of chicken, so I want to walk with you this journey. We do the grilling. So we are going to put here, this one is already eaten, it's already hot. So we are going today to grill. Woohoo! And the sun is shining. So we are grilling. I decided to take you along because most asked question, what do you people eat? We eat everything. not everything aside. We eat what fits us. So today we are going to do this with you. We grill chicken, then we go to the farm and get something good. So come along. Also another question which was asked is, what is the staple food of Finnish people? What do the Finnish people eat? They eat everything. Mostly potatoes. Mostly potatoes. So that is it. There it goes. We are grilling this one with you. Let's go to the farm and get the vegetables. Welcome. We are doing a cooking video. Yes, my people. And I'm starting this video from Joy's Garden at Churches, and we are harvesting our skuma wiki. Sukuma wiki is the kales, a famous vegetable in Kenya. So we harvest here. It has really grown, It has really grown. A proud gardener, harvesting direct from the farm. I'm not a fan of kales as such. I'm a fan of the black nightshade, but because we have these ones here, let me take you along with me so that we cook these ones together with you, and you get to see, and we get to answer this question, huge question, like this. Oh yeah. Winter is coming, and before winter we have autumn, and autumn is coming with the ice speed. I am a fan of this one, black nightshade, but today we are doing this with you. The happiness of every gardener is that they collect from their own farm. So we are also going to use the onions from our garden. Let's go and do this. Welcome. Another thing which we love, maize. The yellow maize, oh. Yellow maize. There is no grilling. Grilling cannot be done without having maize. So we buy our maize from this kind of things. But we also have maize which is just but directly harvested from the farm, but the yellow ones. So we are doing yellow maize. We put them there. We collect our dust there. As we wait for it to cook, we do our vegetables. So we wash our vegetables. Let me get the water. Here we have the water. Oh, here we have the water. We wash the vegetables. Little but direct from Joyce Garden at Chochos. So we are going to do this. We are serving many masters at the same time. We have to eat these things, so we wash the vegetables. Woohoo. We wash the vegetables. We have to inspect. They are very fresh. Very, very fresh. Very, very fresh. Very, very fresh. Directly from the farm. Very fresh. Very, very fresh. There it goes. At the same time, we should be seeing our things that it does not paddle. Being a mother is not easy. You have to multitask. Cooking, cooking, cooking. But it is smart. Saliva is running, oh, saliva is running, oh. It has a lot of fat. Woo. We turn around, then we cut the vegetables. At the same time, our maize are here, warming up. Then we close it a bit. We close it for the heat to go inside. And then we have to make our fridge. We also have tomatoes here. And before that, let me show you. I have this one I put here. And then we do the vegetables. The way we make a skuma wiki, kales, we just do like this. We are saving, so we don't have to kuchoror. There are several ways of doing this. Some people love doing it like this. Let me show you. All of it, like that. But for me, I want to get all the nutrients, so I just do like this. We nyonga nyonga. Tunya nyonga nyonga. So this is how it goes. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, comment, share, and like. We explore. Today we are exploring about food. We are cooking. We are cooking the African food. Plus the Finnish food. No. Chicken is African. Kales is African. If we cook ugali with you, it's African. So, maize is African. Even though it's yellow, European. So, this is what we are doing. We do like this. We put them there. Come along, come along. After doing this, we do this. 9. And then we are going to use this knife. Let's check our things so that it does not burn. Woohoo. We turn them around. We are still enjoying sunshine, which is a very plus thing. The way the sun is shining, we are very much grateful. So when we want to cut the vegetables, we cut them like this. Like this. making sukuma wiki. Wah, it has been a while. Whoa, it has been a while since I did this. It has been a while. The knife is too big. What? Welcome to Joy's Kitchen. Joy's Kitchen. Fruits from and vegetables from Joy's Corner at Churches. You know? This is when a gardener is proud of what he or she has done, you know. You are harvesting them directly from your farm, which is a very important thing, you know. So this is how we do. We are not cutting two small ones. We are just cutting medium size. Keep watching this video up to the end. You are yet to get surprised more and more. As we continue with this, let's have fun together. Let's have fun together. Our vegetables are ready. I've already cut the kales. Our tomatoes are ready. Our onions from our farm ready. We harvested some onions, Here. We got some onions. So that one was from Joy's garden at Churches. Unfortunately, we are not able to continue with our cooking because guess what? The obvious thing. Our cooking ends here because of this. Surprise. Is it sad news? Our class is over. This one reminds me when I was living in Kenya, Eldoret. When the class gets over, in the middle of cooking, I used to go to my neighbor. We used to have very good neighbors. I go borrow the cars and continue with cooking. But here, where am I going to borrow the cars? So our cooking is done. Thank God the chicken is cooked. So the chicken we are putting there, and we have cooked plan B. Plan B for maize. We are not going to stay without maize. Plan B for maize. So we are going to do our maize there. Plan B for maize. That is life. Hey. This is life. So our chicken, iliva ama haikuiva? It's yet to be seen. We are going to put it there. But now our cooking ends here. I was telling you what we eat here in Finland. And I was to cook ugali. But now we are not going to cook ugali anymore. Because our outside cooking is over. In life, you always don't know what the next minute brings. But this is the far we have come. Woo. The cooking ends there. So my people, this is how it has been. Thank you so much for watching my video up to this far. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, sharing and liking. Kindly continue watching and kindly enjoy the video up to the end. Mama. God bless you. Mama. Yes, I'm giving you that one. Yes. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kabush. We are pushing where? Forward. Thank you.